Mushroom for Dummies by Paolo Hanna and me, Uriel. What are mushrooms? Mushrooms are asexual spore-bearing fungi that generally gain nutrients from organic matter. Through the use of wind currents, mushrooms can travel for thousands of miles before finding a suitable spot to grow. Once they have settled, microscopic spores secrete enzymes that break down the surrounding organic material. The spores then absorb the organic nutrients through tiny roots called mycelium. The spores continue to grow into the iconic mushroom shapes and survive until germination, which can be between a week to a month, depending on the species. Within the fungi kingdom, there are more than 14,000 species of mushrooms, such as Agaricus bisporus, oyster mushroom, pennybun, chanterelle, fly agaric, and enoki. Mushroom benefits. Many species of mushroom have a great taste and even greater benefit to your health. They are filled with a bunch of vitamins and minerals which can make them an excellent addition to a diet by providing a low-calorie source of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. A number of reasons for consuming mushrooms can be due to the fact that they are packed with vitamins and minerals, they lower your blood pressure, and they boost your immune system. Along with their nutritional value, mushrooms are great decomposers. They decompose dead matter with their enzymes, resulting in recycled nutrients for plants to absorb.
Magical mushrooms. Other than being natural decomposers, mushrooms are natural psychedelics. Around 200 species of mushrooms are used as psychedelics around the world. With some being more potent than others, these mushrooms get their psychedelic nature from the chemical compound they produce called psilocybin. Also known as a prodrug, when psilocybin is ingested and metabolized, the user experiences a hallucinogenic and psychedelic effect. The consumption of these special shrooms or fungi produces an indescribable effect that causes changes in mood, thoughts, visual, and time perception. Users can experience the effect of the drug from minutes to hours, depending on the amount of psilocybin within the mushroom. The shroom controversy. While most countries have banned the use of psychedelic mushrooms, there have been a recent push to unban these magical shrooms. In the 1970s, the US, along with several other countries, banned the use of psychedelic mushrooms due to the poor and inaccurate studies. However, the rise and innovation of technology has fueled the movement for legalization of these particular mushrooms. Scientists believe compounds within the mushroom interact with serotonin receptors in the human brain, producing sensations of pleasure and hallucinations. Many people are hopeful to see that scientific breakthroughs of the mind-bending compound will rid the bad stigma surrounding psychedelic mushrooms. Though no answer is clear of why mushrooms produce this chemical compound, scientists are still optimistic for the recreational, medicinal, and therapeutic use of mushrooms.
The importance of mushrooms. Mushrooms have been around for millennia, with the first discovery of mushrooms dating back 810 million years ago, with evidential roots from South America and China. While also having a rich history, mushrooms have a rich role in the maintenance of an ecosystem. They benefit the ecosystem by extracting minerals and water from the soil and releasing those vital nutrients to the surrounding plants and trees. Mushrooms also act like a natural recycler by decomposing dead organic matter, then releasing the nutrients for the soil to absorb. Not only are mushrooms rich in vitamin B and D, which is an important component in bone and immune health, there are therapeutic uses for mushrooms as well. Psychedelic mushrooms have unique and therapeutic effects scientists hope to understand more about in the future. The future of mushrooms. With nearly 2,000 non-toxic and edible species of mushrooms containing medicinal and nutritional benefits that help strengthen cholesterol management, cognitive function, focus, and energy, mushrooms carry benefits unlike any other plant. In recent years, psychedelic mushrooms containing the active ingredient psilocybin have been observed and researched all over the world, with the most famous being the Johns Hopkins Psychedelic Research Unit. Although research regarding mushrooms is still limited, the known benefits of mushrooms are plentiful enough to know that they are important to the health of ecosystems and the human body.